Bantay Edukasyon scholars gathered for a closing assembly as the school year ended. These young people continue to prove that poverty is never a hindrance in achieving one's dreams through education. Faye is one of the Bantay Edukasyon scholars of Bantay Bata 163 who continues to inspire others.
Nakikita ko po yung sakripisyo ng mga magulang ko para sa amin. Si Papa nagsasayka, si Mama rin po nagtatrabaho bilang labandera.
At the closing assembly of the scholars for the school year 2013 to 2014, Bantay Bata 163 made sure to extend gratitude to its compassionate and dedicated sponsors.
Sa loob po ng maraming taon, napakaraming mga taong naging bahagi ng tagumpay ng mga scholars natin. Lubos po kaming nagpapasalamat sa ating sponsors po ngayon na si McDonald's at si Mr. Richard Henbin.
The students who did well in their studies likewise honored parents who always see the best for their children, like laundry woman Faye's mother.
In-apply ko po yung sa loob ng pamilya namin, ma'am, yung tama. Kasi po hindi po mananakaw ng kahit sino man ng edukasyon.
The children and parents hope and pray that Bantay Bata 163 with its generous sponsors will continue to find inspiration through the scholars' perseverance and heartfelt gratitude.
Maraming pong salamat. Parang tinuturing niyo po kami tunay na pamilya niyo po.